Hi guys, it's Marcy here from Campbell & Company. I'd like to welcome you to my newest listing at 85 Richardson Street. It's a cute little 2+1 bedroom in Old West Brant. Great for a starter home or empty nesters. You've got to come in and have a look.
I had a dream about you, thinking I'd be real. I took your hand and said to you exactly how I feel. I know that this is mutual, the future could be your soul.